Hey guys, Tony here. So I did want to talk a little bit about Doggy and why you guys saw this nice little pump recently, and it's because Elon Musk basically said that he agrees with Mark Cuban that Doggy Coin is the most whatever popular currency, and this is why it's hard for me to like Doggy Coin anymore. I don't hold a position on Robinhood anymore. I moved after I sold everything. I moved everything into Coinbase, right? So on Coinbase, I have most of my doggy position. I don't hold anything on Robinhood. This is basically like the last thing that I have after I sold everything. Um, but I like Doggy Coin, but I stopped liking it once Elon Musk started pumping it, and it's hard for me to really talk about Doggy or talk about Doggy Coin in general or anything revolving this because I like Elon Musk, right? I think Elon Musk is great. I think he's doing a solid job of everything, but um, I just think it's billionaire and billionaire kind of pumping each other's dicks, right? Like this is what I think, right? I don't like when one person is keeping a project up, like especially Doggy Coin, right? The only reason it's running or pumping is because Elon Musk is the one that's tweeting about it, or you have him agreeing with like Mark Cuban and stuff, and people rely on that for Doggy to pump, and that's what I hate. I hate that organically it just doesn't grow by itself. It's not doing it by itself, right? It has to have some sort of pump or hype to get into it, and long term it's just not it's not a feasible thing to rely on, right? You have Bitcoin, which is basically gold. You have Ethereum, which basically has all the tech, and then you have a bunch of other crypto or altcoins that have solid projects running for them, right? Like I personally don't understand NFTs, but long term I can see the value and the amount of liquidity that goes into it, right? For ADA, you have the tech and you have the actual the smart contracts coming into it. For like Polygon or Anchor or Polkadot, you have self staking, which they actually provide value. Doggy Coin doesn't provide any value. I love Doggy Coin. I've been a holder for like the last 3-4 years or so, and I sold everything on that last pump. I sold everything at like 40 cents, right? That's when I mostly sold I sold like 80% of my position at like 40 cents. But I can't get behind Doggy again until these pumps stop, right? Like these pumps up to like this right here, this little like 10%, 15% pump from essentially like 30 cents to like 35. Like it's hard for me to support Doggy again strictly on the fact that it's only running because of Elon Musk and Mark Cuban or whatever, and then pumping it for like a certain amount of time. And that's what I hate, right? That's what I don't like. So I do hold Doggy on my Coinbase portfolio. I hold, right now, I think right now I think I only hold like 3 or 4 grand of Doggy Coin. And I do think it can go higher. I do think that if we do end up rallying again, you guys know that I don't do things unless there's a confirmation on the monthlies. And if August closes either bear neutral or bullish, I'm 100% bullish on crypto all over again. But again, we got to let it play out for another 2 weeks. I can't officially say that I'm bullish or I'm bearish on certain things until the monthly chart starts playing out the way that I need it to actually start doing certain things. But as of right now, I'm not bullish on any crypto. I'm not bearish on any crypto. I'm just waiting for August to close. If we do see another altcoin rally, or do we see another bull rally on crypto in general, I can definitely see Doggy hitting 70 cents or at most somewhere $1.15 or so, because you have the liquidity and the volume from Coinbase, from Robinhood, from Binance, from Kraken, from basically every single crypto exchange. Now every major crypto exchange now holds Doggy Coin. That's essentially it. The only reason why I would be bullish on Doggy for the next bull run is you now have like the top 4 biggest exchanges supporting Doggy. You have Robinhood, you have Coinbase, you have Binance, and you have Kraken. That's really all you need to have a big, strong push towards the upside, where not only is there a bunch of retail buying, but actual big money buying, and then just whatever happens, right? But again, I can see Doggy hitting $1 if crypto overall ends up doing another bull run. And I can see it hitting $1 in the next altcoin season, right? If we do end up pushing up that hard. But it's really only because it's on Coinbase, and I think the extra liquidity and volume coming from Coinbase is going to help Doggy Coin really shoot up to the sky, or really keep running to the upside. And I think it's like a 90% probability that that happens, strictly because it's now on Coinbase. But again, it's hard for me to support Dogecoin. I don't say I don't like it. I'm not saying I do like it. It's just, it's hard for me to support Doggy because it basically only pumps on the fact that, you know, it gets mentioned by celebrities or other stuff. And that's why I don't like it. I can't get behind a coin that relies on one person to pump it. I'll see you guys later.